teachers, we have to celebrate the Social Science Day. Now our class third standard students will talk to you about each topic. Good morning to everybody. I am a Dr. Tyava Saravanan. I am a government doctor. I will serve you for free. I will take good care of those who are ill and take care of those who are health. Thank you. I am going to speak about the teacher. Teacher letters light shine bright even on the darkest road, so that the little one do not lose track of education. A teacher is every child activates when they start school. They are the ones who hold their hands. A good teacher can have a lasting interest to a child. Thank you. My school name is Navabharat. My standard is third standard. I speak about policeman. A policeman is a government servant. He is strong and brave. He wears a khaki uniform. Police officer protects everyone. He works in the day as well as at night. Thank you. Good afternoon. I am Sabari Veran. I am studying third standard. Going to speak about the firefighters. The firefighters are well trained to carry out the duties. They wear protective jackets. The pump and send water on the affected